Hi everyone, this is Ali from TechRed TV. I'm back with another short tutorial. This time we're going to do is how to copy a file or an image or any document from one folder to another. We'll be doing two steps, one where you copy and the other one where you move the file. So to begin with, I've got two folders here. This is folder A and this is folder B. So I'm just going to open both of them so you can see what's inside them. So folder A basically has our TechRed TV logo and folder B has nothing in it. So if you want to move this image to the next, either you can just click it and drag it, but if you want to copy and paste it, all you need to do is just select the image, press Command key and C for cat, and it'll copy. Then you go and select the second folder, press Command and then V for vector. So you can see it's just made a copy of the same file here. Now if you wanna, this is how you can do one thing. Now I'm just gonna delete it. Now if you want to move the file there, you don't need to copy, you just need to move it. So what you do is you select the image. You select the image, press Command C for copy. Same thing, come to the second folder, but if you want to move it, you press Alt, Command and V for vector. Now you can see it actually moves the image from this folder to the other one. So the only difference is that you need to press Alt key with the Command key and then press V for vector, and it will actually move the file. So it's basically very easy to do so. You can do it with shortcuts, or you can do it with the options of edit, copy and paste item. Alright, I hope this is helpful to you. It's just a small tutorial. These are like small things that when I started using Mac I had issues with. Keep tuning into our channel, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You can visit our website techred.com.au, and you can visit our blog as well. All the videos that we make, we have articles over there with step-by-step images to help you go through it, because sometimes people don't have the time, or they're unable to look at the video. So this is Ali from TechRed TV. Tune in next time. Thank you.